Hello all from my little kitchen. I am cooking everybody breakfast and I'm super excited because I was able to get coffee delivered to me this morning. I think we're gonna have to make this a Sunday tradition. Morning time coffee. We have been lacking on content lately, so I'm just going to straight up create a vlog of what we're up to. We're getting ready to go on an epic adventure to the North Pole to see Santa Claus. So we're busy packing, and if you can see back there, we have some home construction going on. So my hysterectomy and the home construction is the reason why we haven't been posting lately, or why I haven't been posting lately. So I'm hijacking this, and I'm just gonna do a straight up vlog to explain sort of what's going on in our life for today. Coffee, woohoo! And Grant has a cinnamon roll. I'm very excited about it. What did you get from the coffee shop? This is our home construction. We pushed out this wall, all the big wall of windows now. There's gonna be glass on the top. And this is the tile mess that's out here. And yeah, this has just been occupying a lot of our time lately. There's just a big mess all the time, just tons of dust. That's our new tile that I'm completely obsessed with. It's like a little raised. Oh, it's so beautiful. Can't wait to show you when it's done. When I say dust is on everything, look at. Dust is literally on everything. Hi! Can you say hi? Hi.
Mama, I have to see.
Oh, right. Always in India, you have to turn on the switch before you actually turn on anything else. And this is breakfast for everybody. We've got this from my maid. We have this for me, protein shake and coffee. I already had half of that bagel, or a quarter of that bagel. This is for Piper, and then this is for Tarun. Protein shake, bagel, and eggs. Short order cook, and Grant already has his cinnamon roll. What do you say? Okay, so packing has begun. This is for me. And just to let you know, when you're doing ultralight packing for kids or for anybody else, the clothing that you choose to wear constantly for 5 weeks over and over again, you will hate when you get back. But I have about 5 pairs of pants, socks, gloves, hats, some long sleeve shorts, some short sleeve shirts, all about the layering, 2 sweatshirts, and a bathing suit. And that's all. And I'm gonna put them in these space bags and see if we can fit everything we need for this Arctic travel in 2 carry-on suitcases. Wish us luck. I really do not have that much faith that we're gonna be able to fit all of this, all of what we need to do. Okay, so this is Piper, not this. I got about 5 pants, some onesies. It's all about layering. We got about 7 sweatshirts. We might pare that down. A fleece. She's got another fleece going on the airplane with us, and a swimsuit. Hope this is enough. We still have to get her a snowsuit and socks and booties when we get to Finland, because we just weren't able to source them in India. Shocking, I know. Okay, so this is Grant. We've got 3 different snow pants, 2 layers, some underpants, some just like regular, like sweatpants, underwear, 2 pairs of like woolly socks, and some long sleeve shirts. He's got big jackets and tons of gloves and all that stuff. For a 7-year-old, you need tons of gloves because they get wet all the time. But this is looking like this is what Grant's gonna have, so here we go. Okay, well, this is getting helpful. This is me and the kids all in one laundry basket. We'll see if we can fit this all in 2 suitcases. Tarun still has to pack. All of that is hats, gloves, etc., etc. And that's all the stuff we're taking on the plane. Minus the whole shopping cart. We'll see. Hi, Papa. Hi, Babes. We're out of the house. We're going to get fun things to play with on the airplane. Taru's driving in his bright shirt and his toys.
But I got a haircut.
He did get a hair, and Tarun found a hairstylist. I have yet to find a good hairstylist, but Tarun has found a good hairstylist. And who is it? Who recommended it? Your dad. So he's officially becoming his dad and getting his haircut at the same place.
Good guy.
He's a good guy. The old guy.
No, young guy.
Young guy. Oh, nice. Okay. What toys are we gonna get?
Big toy.
No. What?
Big toy.
Small toys.
Big
Ah!
Big toy. Big toy. Big toy. Okay. Small toy. Big toy.
Wow.
What'd you find? This. Dada, what are you looking at? Pencil shading. Gandhi.
Not
Off to a play space next. Yeah, that's apparently exactly where we're gonna go. Because we didn't get enough done today. We're gonna try to go get some portraits done.
Look, babe.
It's just a crane.
Look, Ben, listen. Ben, please.
Okay, what's happening?
Mama. Well, hot the horn.
Don't honk the horn.
Then stop pointing at me.
My favorite construction worker is back.
Not a construction worker. This is a highly visible clothing for adventure. Because I do adventure every day in my life.
We're just going onto the plane in 4 more days.
See this. They say that if you put money in an account and grow by itself.
Shark doo 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 doo.
Next to know is fixed. Get
But till the time he is young.